Okay, so welcome back. Or it's the second time I'm gonna work on this plane today. I had gone out and done some stuff, so I got the wings all mounted. There you go. So now I'm gonna work on getting this done. Stab and rudder. Is it? Look at that. See, the flashlight helps you find the area you need. Sharp blade for this also. Alright, that part's done. My nose has been running allergies or something. I don't know what it is, but it's been driving me nuts today. Okay, so this is a slot for the So I went to get the trim tool, which they don't make anymore. I bought this off of eBay used, I think, but it works. What matters. So while that heats up, so I can seal these edges of what's loose here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece right here for the rudder, for the vertical fin. Don't know. Don't know how far this goes. So this guy, let's see. This guy will have to go here. Let's take these out. Oh, look, that one's tight. That's not great. Okay. So on this one, we'll put the T-pins in it and glue it in place. We'll do glue here first and then into the rudder. But so we can see. Try and get closer to the edge. If I can, if I can't, that's fine. So let's seal this right here. I have this on high, by the way, which seems to be working fine. Right here, let's I don't know. Let's try and trim this a little bit better. So let's seal this. So I wanted us to start with the horizontal stabilizer. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to do this like the ailerons, trim, iron, go over all the edge and put on some of the seal type pin. For right now, let's just fit this in. This is very tight fit. I'm gonna have to measure this. Back. Let's make sure this is even back here. 24 centimeters exactly. Way too long on this side. $780. Go back to that side.
You said the side was like 780.
780. Over there. $780. Try it again. $780. Okay. $266. No, 260. 263. $263. So let's measure it one more time. $780.
When did this one do 790?
$780. Okay. All right, so that took quite a bit of measuring, but we got a square. Now we cut this out, take this out, and we cut just inside of that line. Not too hard and not too soft. Well, yeah, actually, as soft as possible. We don't want to cut the balsa. So I'm going to use that same ruler I was just using a minute ago. To cut just inside of this line. Come along the rear edge, just inside. So again, just inside the line. Not too much pressure, not too little. So this didn't come out all the way, but I got a decent surface area anyway. And if I mess with it too much, I'm gonna end up damaging the wood. So we're gonna go with it. I'm not gonna take the front pieces off because it's not really gonna stick to any of that anyway. Okay. So time to mix some epoxy. All right, so the tape, in a different setup, I'd do it on both sides, but since I have to slide this through and it's gonna smear anyway, you put it just outside the line you put, so that the epoxy catches the tape. All right, so mix up the epoxy. On your last, put equal amounts down. There's a stir stick. Get a brush ready. This is 30-minute epoxy. The same or about the same anyway. Have to mix a little bit more to do the rudder here in a little bit. So this was not a good idea. This was actually dumb. Don't do this. This should be close, but the first thing I gotta do is wipe all the epoxy I just put on that thing. So because this was so challenging to measure right, I'm going to leave it alone until tomorrow. All right, so that's it for tonight. So let it sit overnight. I'm gonna have to re-iron that out. But we should be good. All right, so I'll catch you all maybe tomorrow. I'll put the vertical fin in. After that, I'll put the rudder and elevator. And we'll go from there. Anyway, y'all take care. Thank you.